In this video, I will show you how simple it is to add a button to a Dash app that allows users to export the data from a table and save it on their computer. You just need to know how to use the DCC download object from the Dash library. I'll start by importing pandas and the core pieces of Dash to build the web app and the download button. I'll bring in this example scores Excel file I have that contains information on scores by category for 2 students. I'll open it real quick. We can see it contains the same content currently viewable in Chrome. Now I'll create the Dash app, add a data table to display the data frame, and include a button and a hidden download component for exporting the CSV. Here is my app layout. I have a single div that contains some header content for context. It has a page title and a subheading. Next is my table. There is a small break underneath the table, and finally the button to download. You'll also see the most important element of the page for this, the DCC download object at the bottom. The DCC download component is invisible on the page, but Dash uses it behind the scenes to send the CSV file to the browser. Now let's look at the callback that is at the heart of the download behavior. We are listening for the click of a button with the ID download button. This ID can be seen in the layout up here and on the page, where it states download as CSV. The moment it's clicked, we activate this function that returns the dcc.send_dataframe method to the data attribute of the object with the ID download CSV. We can see that is the invisible download object on the page. The send_dataframe method accepts the data frame as a CSV and the name of the file to be downloaded. I've also included index equals false because I don't want to download the data frame's index. I only want to download what I see on the screen. Setting prevent initial call to true tells Dash to not execute this at page load, so we know it will truly only work once the button is clicked. Down here is where we start the Dash development server and what allows this to see the page on the right. So let's click the button. If everything is correct, the moment we click this button, we should see a prompt to download a file called downloaded file onto our computer. And there it is. It is correctly called downloaded file, just as we declared it over here in our Python script. Let's download it to our directory and see what it contains. There we go. Side by side, we can see the downloaded file contains the exact same content as the content on the page. That's all there is to it. Build your data frame, display it in a Dash data table, and use dcc.download with a callback to let your users export the data as a CSV from your web app. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.